Are you caught in the web of your thoughts, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders? Overthinking can trap you in a cycle of worry and analysis, robbing you of your peace and productivity. Millions grapple with this silent battle each day, yet there's a powerful truth. You can reclaim your mental freedom instantly. The first step is to name your thoughts out loud, a simple yet effective technique that slices through the chaos. Verbalizing what plagues your mind gives it form and specificity, making it less overwhelming. Next, redirect your energy into something physical. Whether it's stepping into a refreshing cold shower, taking a brisk walk outdoors, or even clapping your hands, these actions snap your brain out of its repetitive loop and back to reality. Engage in the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method to anchor yourself further. Identify 5 things you can see around you, 4 textures you can feel, 3 sounds that fill your space, 2 aromas that drift through, and 1 flavor lingering on your palate. This approach pulls your focus back to the present moment and diminishes the grip of obsessive thoughts. Lastly, cultivate self-compassion by reminding yourself that not every thought requires an immediate answer. Overthinking is simply a habit, and like any habit, breaking it requires conscious effort and active strategies. With practice, you can reclaim your mind and embrace a more peaceful and productive existence.